Let's talk about this sophisticated technique for creating realistic unpredictability with probability-based decisions. If random.random is less than 0.1 colon. So the key learning moment right here in this lesson is this condition, random.random in your if statement in this conditional. So we're demonstrating how to use random.random in conditional statements to create percentage-based probability testing for realistic behavior simulation. The random.random function generates a random decimal number between 0.0 and 1.0. When we compare it to 0.1, we're creating a 10% probability threshold. The probability works like this. Random.random might generate 0.05 since 0.05 less than 0.1. The condition is true, velocity changes. Random.random might generate 0.05. Since 0.05 is less than 0.1, the condition is true, velocity changes. Alternatively, 0.7 is not less than 0.1, so that's false. Condition fails, no change, and so on. Since random.random produces values from 0.0 to 1.0, approximately 10% of the time it will generate a number less than 0.1, triggering that velocity adjustment code. We're creating natural, unpredictable variation here. Real 4D entities wouldn't move in perfectly straight lines. They would occasionally change direction due to dimensional forces, quantum fluctuations, or consciousness-driven decisions. Your 10% probability creates realistic behavior where entities usually maintain their current velocity but sometimes spontaneously adjust their movement patterns. The random conditional makes your simulation feel alive and natural instead of rigid, predictable movement. Entities exhibit the kind of occasional course corrections that real consciousness-driven 4D beings might display, adding authenticity to your higher dimensional physics simulation.